In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your account number on Wise. So if you want to be able to find your account number so you can go and receive payments on Wise, then what we need to do is first open up the website and make sure you're logged in to your Wise account. Now from here, go and select a currency that you want to receive money in. So I just have the one currency here, which is Great British Pounds, but you may have multiple accounts in this window. So I'm just going to click on this one here, and right at the top of this screen, you're going to be able to see your sort code and also account number. Now, if you go ahead and click on this, it's also going to provide you all of the information that you need to go and receive payments both locally and also internationally. So depending on where your bank account is located, you may have different information here. For example, if you have a US account, then you might see a SWIFT number or something like that instead. But this is effectively all of the information you need to start receiving payments. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.